Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alfredo, back with another video. I really appreciate everyone that has been giving me feedback upon my videos. That has really motivated me to keep on going, because I've acknowledged that or hold some type of wisdom that I'm actually bringing out to the world that makes me feel in a way pretty fulfilled, I would say. We all truly desire at the end of the day, and I encourage everyone to try and experience what brings you fulfillment. With that being said, today's topic is perspectives, and how perspectives truly impact our lives, our daily lives. It truly just really matters on how you view things, situations, certain argument, discussions, debates, videos, literally everything. For example, I've been working with a lot of small local businesses along with startups and people that try to, start their own thing, also with motivating individuals on how to start their own structure, foundation, so that way they can build upon it. With that being said, the perspective that I've been really successful in, I would say, is just having the problem-solving mindset. Having that perspective is currently very truly valuable, and that's what I've acknowledged is about what do you bring to the table, the value that you bring to your peers and whoever you're trying to help and gain their trust, or whatever is in your path or destiny that you're trying to achieve. From my observations, I've truly acknowledged that a lot of people know truly what they do not want. However, not a lot of people know what they truly want and what brings them fulfillment. So with that being said, it is critical to bring that perspective of what is that you just want out of life. With that being said, that's where you would be taking that direction. And once you take that direction, it's critical to have that discipline, as I've said in my previous videos. And that is what truly just makes things very rapidly at a fast rate. However, we do have to be very adaptive. But what I mean by adaptive is, how much are you willing to adapt? And what I mean by adapting, how much are you willing to change? Want change, but do not truly want to change. It also comes down to what is successful to you as a person, as an individual, as a soul. Our mind can play illusions. It doesn't do it on purpose, but it holds so much information that it can be a little bit scattered. However, it is our job to try and control that as much as possible by having that discipline of acknowledging of what affects us and what decreases our energy and what makes us want to move forward. One aspect that truly impacts us is our culture. No matter what culture we're a part of, no matter what perspectives we have, but cultures do affect our intellect mind, which is connected to our true self and makes us who we are at the end of the day through our experiences. For example, someone might have had a bad experience in riding a bicycle. Just because of that one experience, that might have hurt themselves or ran into a tree or whatever. Just by that small experience, it can impact their life for 10 years, up to 10 years, 5 years, 6 years, whatever the case may be. However, with that being said, we also have to be aware of what type of experiences we are letting our mind be connected to, so that way we can be aware of what affects us and who we truly are. Because when there's a lot of noise, we are not truly aware of who we are as an individual throughout this human life experience. So when we have these cultures implemented, it can be quite difficult to reunite everyone, because everyone has their own cultural values, which lead us to separation and having certain perspectives upon us. So it's truly important to recognize where you're getting those certain values, there's certain feedback, and being aware of who you're receiving that information from. As I said earlier, our intellectual mind is basically everything that these two eyes can see. Anything in our external world, anything that we can feel or touch, that is all connected to our intellectual mind, which is then connected to our true self, and where we have the control to our lives at the end of the day. I do believe there is things that we cannot control in the external world. However, we should not be having the victim mindset, especially when we are going through tough times. Or it's very important to acknowledge which experiences shaped you to have those certain perspectives that make you feel like you feel stuck, or have you in a certain mindset or even frequency, state of mind, however you can understand it. But it is important to acknowledge those aspects so that way we can begin to be more innovative, creative, bring more positivity to our peers and the people around us, along with our environment, community, or even bringing light to the shadows. Overall, we are all one. Only egos, beliefs, and fear separate us. In order for us to start building ourselves, we have to have the ability to turn negative into positive, as if negative was the fuel to fuel that positivity and take a call to action. So it's our job to self-motivate and motivate the people around us as well, and realizing how we can help someone else by making their life better. Even if it can be something as running an errand for someone that can bring a lot of positivity to their life, or a simple message such as this. So it's truly important to dissolve those memories of negative emotions, because it can just keep us at a low frequency and low levels of taking action. At the end of the day, we will be actually just being still while we motivate ourselves and others at the same time. I find that truly fulfilling. And thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe and share to whoever you might believe might need this message. Thank you. Peace.